sync up that audio and video together. Getting your work and holiday visa, 417 visa. I'm not sure about the 462. I'm guessing it's the same kind of process steps. I have no idea because I never did it. So what we're gonna be talking about today is the basics. What does the work and holiday visa let you do? You're able to do short-term work throughout your whole stay of the year in Australia. You're able to study for up to 4 months. 4 months, that's right. You get to travel to and from Australia as many times as you want. So if you get bored, I don't know why we get bored, but if you want to change up where you're staying at, then you can, let's say, fly to Indonesia and then to Thailand, Southeast Asia area, and then come back. And you can do that as many times as you want. There's no limitations of how many times you can. And then, of course, everyone knows the mandatory 3 months of specified work, basically farm work that you need to do if you are looking to get your second year visa. If you're not looking to get the second year visa, get rid of that. Don't worry about it. Enjoy your first year and then do whatever the hell you want afterwards. And then there are the must-haves. These are what you have to apply for your work and holiday visa. You have to have a passport from an eligible country or jurisdiction. You have to also be 18 to 30 years old unless you're from Canada, France, or Ireland. You can be 18 to 35 and still apply to get this 417 visa. You can't apply for the visa already as you're already in Australia. You have to apply from it outside the country, which, I don't know, I guess that's all right. I have no idea. Fourth part of the must-haves is that you cannot have dependent children with you, okay? Step 2, you have to then create an IMI account. I'm guessing it's short for immigration account. I don't know. For this, very basic, enter in all the necessary info about yourself that it's asking, such as your name, phone number, your email for contact information, just in case they need to reach you. Now, when you create that account, you need to create your username, which is already filled out using your email that you provided previously. And then you need to make a password, hopefully it's strong enough. And then also 3 security questions. I don't know what it would be, like your mom's maiden name, that kind of crap. Junk, sorry. And then what you're done, just check off the boxes, like the security alerts, and then the terms and conditions that you said that you read. Now this one, step 3, I think this is the last step, but then that step is like 12 parts. So it's fun. It's creating your application, your actual application to apply for the visa, the 417 visa. First, your current country location and what's your legal status in that said country. Second, have you ever applied for a 417 or a 462 visa? If yes, what year? First, second, third year that you're applying for? I don't know. And then third, the date that you think that you will be entering the country, aka Australia. Part 2 of step 3, your passport details. You have to have your full name, your date of birth, your passport number, etc. I'll be saying etc. a lot because there's a lot of etceteras here, etc. Your place of birth, your status info, which is like married, are you divorced, are you widowed, I don't know. But then there's one that says never married. And that's what I chose because there was nothing that said single. So I was like, okay, well, I've never been married. I'll choose never married. And then again, choose your citizenship. You have to have you ever had a health exam in the past 12 months? I think that's how long it was. I don't know. And have you had one done? Yes, no. So on and so forth. And then other identifications. So meaning your driver's license, your birth certificate, your health card, if you have any of those. I only entered in my driver's license and health card. I do have like a birth certificate and everything like that, but I did not want to, honestly, it was just too much. I just wanted to put 2 things in just to be safe, and yeah, it worked out fine for me. Part 3, your contact details, contact details. Basically, almost the same thing as your IMI account, like your country, your address, your numbers, your email, that kind of junk again. Part 4, an authorized recipient. This, I don't know why you would want to do this. Maybe, I don't know, if you don't want to be receiving all the proper correspondence that you need to be. So what it is that you are giving somebody else full authorization to be receiving all the paperwork that you would originally receive. So if you don't want to get that, sign somebody else up for that, and then they'll deal with everything from there. Personally, I know I would want to receive everything because I want to deal with it. I don't want to wait and have this all on somebody else, and then if something happens to them, what happens to me? Who knows? But up to you. Part 5, occupation and education. What'd you do as a job? What are you doing as a job currently? Are you employed? Are you unemployed? I know for myself, I was doing construction, mainly construction, but there's not, there's very like subcategories of construction. I did a roofing job, so I just chose roofing. I didn't want to get too complicated with it. I was just like, okay, roofing, I did that. And then also your education. How far along your educational career are you? Did you do a bachelor's, master's? Enter it in, and then fill out that little section. Next, part 6, health declaration. It's a questionnaire. It's a 10-ish question, yes or no questionnaire, very easy. First question though is, in the past 5 years, have you been out of the country for 3 consecutive months, not including Australia? You can be in Australia and it doesn't matter. But have you been out of the country for 3 consecutive months? And yes, where? So me, I was in Southeast Asia with the girlfriend for 3 months, just at that time. Yes, I have been. I checked that off. I finished this whole application. It then sends me to go and get a full medical examination and also a chest x-ray. If you're interested in that, video will be here. Yeah, here. Other than that, 10 questions, yes or no, 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 yes or no. Very easy. Part 7, character declaration. Again, very easy. Almost 20 questions this time. They just want to know if you're a criminal and if you're looking to do any kind of criminal or hating acts while you are in Australia. So personally, I put no for all those. I'm not looking to do that. Part 8, your working holiday declaration, which once again, it's another questionnaire, yes or no questionnaire. You'll be doing lots of these in this. I think this might be the last one. I have no idea, but it's easy. It's easy. Basically just wants to let you know the rules and regulations of your working holiday visa, and then you just answer yes or no. Simple. Part 9, final declaration. Again, for your own benefit, do not give any false information while you're doing this, because it is a serious offense, as it says. So just be honest. Just be honest. It's very easy. Be honest. That's it. So when you're done this, when you fill that out, it'll bring you to a review of your application. So just go over that, make sure everything's correct. You don't want to have a single misspell. A single misspell. That's it. You don't want that, because then they'll look at it and be like, no, this doesn't match your passport, this doesn't match this doesn't match that. Declined. Bye. And then part 10, we made it. Attach your documents. Okay? So attach a photo of your passport. Just take a quick photo with your phone, add that to it, and then also they want to have a bank statement. A photo of a bank statement to show how much money you have in your bank account, because you have to have $5,000 Aussie dollars, right? So what you need to do, this is not a screenshot of your bank account on your online app. All right, that's what I thought it was, but it's not. You have to actually get a proper bank statement by either going to the bank, have them printed off, or you can get an online statement, screenshot that, and then send that, okay? Again, do not screenshot just your online banking app with your checking, savings, and credit card. They won't accept that. Do not do that, okay? Do not do that. I really hope it doesn't confuse you. But other than that, that's your whole process of creating your IME account and then creating the application. Very simple, very easy, very thorough to go through it. It's fine, you'll be fine. And then after that, it took, if you do have to do the health examination, they won't process it until you're done that. And then when you're done that examination, the people at the clinic will send all the information to the government, Australian government, and then they'll look over it, and then you'll be approved or not approved. I got approved fairly quickly. I was good. I was good. It was good. I hope this helps somebody. I really can't find videos like this that is very thorough. Not thorough, but you know, I want to be able to help somebody. I like to look too deep into something that I like to do. You know. Jeez, what am I rambling on about now? Anyways, hope you enjoyed. What am I talking about? What are you doing?